Hey there guys, today I got a lock here for you today. It's going to be that Black Dog. It's a knockoff of the American 700. It says Black Dog on one side of the lock body, on the other side it says Harden. Yeah, it's just a basic 4-pin lock. Bill sent it to me. So you know how Bill likes to take locks apart, put security pins in them. There's a look at the key bitting, yeah. It says Black Dog on one side of the bow of the key. On the other side of the bow of the key it says Black Dog, so both sides. Yeah, no numbers, no codes or anything like that. The lock does work. Get started picking it here. I use a double-ended slim tension wrench down here in the bottom of the keyway to keep my other tension wrench from slipping around on me. Go ahead and how do I want to do this? Let's see here. It's less trouble to bypass the damn thing. It's gonna fight me. It's gonna be a good video, guys. This lock's gonna give a fight. Okay. Now that that song and dance is over, using a standard southward hook pick, slimline max with heat shrink tubing covering the middle handle. Plug turned here. Go with real heavy tension because this lock was giving me a hard time earlier. Let up on the tension. Try it again. There we go. There's one pin. There's second. There's the third, I think. Kind of lost where I'm at. And there we go. Picked open. And this lock fights me on and off every once in a while. I don't know what its problem is. Like I said, Bill maybe stuck a security pin in there or did some type of lock voodoo to it to make it harder to be picked or harder to get your tension wrench out, which I can't. Okay, I'm going to stay in there then. So here it is, picked open. Harden on one side, Black Dog on the other. I think Bill got this at a truck stop somewhere, but you can also find these. I found a couple Black Dog series locks on eBay. They're kind of pricey. So you might want to watch that. eBay, Craigslist. I also found on Sears' website, they also sell these locks. So you might check out Sears.com. Yeah, or if you're taking a trip or a vacation, you're on the interstate, you may stop at one of the truck stops. They may have some. What did you do, Bill? Thing likes to eat tension wrenches. Anyway, there it is, picked open, yeah. And Bill, thanks again for sending this to me. Gotten a couple hours of practicing bypassing with this lock. You're right, it makes a great training lock. So again, thanks for sending that out, yeah. And thanks to all my viewers. Thanks for watching my videos and leaving comments. Appreciate every single one of them. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day. And as always, you guys have a good one.